Okay, let's see how you did on the last problem. Your answer should have been -1 is greater than x, which is greater than -2.3. So I hope everybody did that correctly. And then the graph is 2 open circles. Oh, hello. This is why we check our work. Look, that should be, I did not bring down that symbol. I did not bring down that symbol. Oh my goodness, and that should be closed. All right, any questions? If so, send me an email. Let's go on to type 2. So a Chinese restaurant offers a buffet. Children under 12 can eat. So let's let X represent the age. So children under 12. Now, there's X, there's 12. Is under 12 less than or equal to? It's right, less than or equal to. Or I mean, just less than. Equal to would be 12, and it doesn't say 12 or under, it says under 12. Then they eat for a reduced price. But adults over 65, so that would be X is greater than 65. So is this an and inequality? So let's think about this. Can you be an age of less than 12 and older than 65? No. This is the case of the or, where it only has to fit one or the other. And most of the time, you can't fit both. Okay, it's either one or the other. All right, so we're going to go on to type 2, and that would be our or. Type 2 would be or. And this is great, guys, because you just solve each one individually. So you don't even worry about, just solve them individually. So here we're just going to subtract 2. We get 3x is less than -15. Divide by 3, x is less than -5. That's the key. You got to bring down that or. You got to bring them together, okay? And then subtract 4. Get up with 2x is greater than 3. Divide by 2, or x is greater than 1.5, because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. All right, and now what does the graph look like? Well, see how this is pointing to the left and this one's pointing to the right, okay? That's what your graph looks like. So it would be, this is -5, -4, -3. Next time I'm going to have these numbered ahead of time. That's a concept. All right, so they're numbered. So we're going to make an open circle at -5, and we're going to shade it this direction, and an open circle at 1.5. And for goodness sakes, I can't even read my writing. Open circle. And then let's always go back and double check the original problem. All right. Yep. Open circle, open circle. Okay. So that's it. That's your work. So you're going to go on to the next slide. You're going to do a quick practice problem. And then your homework is in Schoology. Okay. Thanks.